There's always a moment of hesitation when you think about buying a European car in India. You admire the design, you respect the engineering, and you know it will drive well. And then the practical questions begin. What will it cost to maintain? How easy will servicing be? And will the ownership experience be as premium as the car suggests? And for years, that hesitation has shaped the European car conversation in India. The product was rarely an issue, but the ownership often was. Which is why what Škoda is doing now deserves attention. The real test of a brand starts after delivery. It begins at your first service. It begins when something small needs attention. It begins when your car is not brand new anymore and your relationship is routine. Recognizing this, Škoda has introduced a new ownership framework called Škoda Super Care. The philosophy behind it is straightforward. Simplify ownership, remove uncertainty, and build a relationship early on. Now, Super Care 4 brings together 4 years of standard warranty, 4 years of roadside assistance, and 4 years of labor-free services under one clear structure. Now, those services include early check-ins at 1,000 and 7,500 kilometers, followed by periodic maintenances at 15,000 and 30,000 kilometers. The early touchpoints are significant. They establish a relationship between the customer and the service network right at the beginning. Small issues can be addressed before they grow, and familiarity builds confidence. Well, just as importantly, the entire framework remains consistent across the lineup. So it's not limited to just one model. So whether you choose the Kayak or you move within the range, the ownership promise remains consistent. Now that consistency matters, especially as the Kayak has brought new customers into the fold. It reassures buyers that scale has not come at the expense of support. And support today is backed by a network that spans more than 183 cities with over 325 customer touchpoints. Digital bookings, clearer communication, and structured service processes aim to make the experience more transparent and predictable. Škoda has always built cars that enthusiasts respect. Cars with solid chassis, tidy handling, and underlying sense of engineering integrity. And with the Kayak, the brand proved it could translate those values into the most competitive segment in India. Driving dynamics attract customers, and ownership experiences retain them. And in the first year, Škoda Kayak has demonstrated that European engineering can scale in India if packaged correctly. Similarly, Super Care, on the other hand, has showed us that ownership experience from a European brand can evolve just as thoughtfully. Perhaps the hesitation we spoke about in the beginning begins to look a little less pronounced because great cars deserve great ownership experiences. And increasingly, Škoda seems intent on delivering the same.